Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Spark of Curiosity. In this short video series, we'll be traveling to Thailand, and today we'll be taking a boat ride to the Racha and Coral Islands. So without much delay, let's get on with it. To stay updated with Spark of Curiosity, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. On the third day of our stay in Phuket, we set off on another boat trip. But only this time we are going to the Coral and Racha Islands. We were picked up from a hotel at around 8 am and were taken to the Ravai port. Here, like yesterday, we were served tea and light snacks, and the guide briefed us about the upcoming trip. Later, we hopped on our speedboat and were taken straight to the Coral Islands. The journey to Coral Island lasted for about 15 minutes. It was a beautiful island with white sandy beach and clear blue waters. As soon as we arrived at the island, we were escorted to the sea walking site. They took us all in a small speedboat to about half a kilometer offshore where a bigger boat was parked. All of us shifted to the bigger boat where the captain of that boat briefed us about the sea walk. He explained to us as to how to wear the glass headgear and how not to move our head and so on. Once the briefing was done, we were led down the stairs and into the ocean with the headgear. We sank to about 6 meters below the sea level, and when we got there, we saw that there were railings onto which we had to cling on. We walked a few meters holding on to the railings, and then we turned around and walked back towards the boat. All the while, the instructors were keeping a close eye on us. Later, bread was given to a few of us so that we could spread it in the water and attract fish. After a 20-minute sea walk, we were led back onto the boat and were taken to the island. A buffet was set up at the island where we had our lunch, and then we were taken to the Racha Island. Here we are allowed to swim in the clear blue waters for more than an hour, after which we are taken back to Phuket and back to our hotel. One issue that needs to be addressed here is how do you get around Phuket? Three ways in which you can get around Phuket. The first way is by booking a taxi using the Grab Taxi application. The second way is by booking a minivan. So it is a shared van So the cost of the minivan will be less than that of taxi. The third and best way of getting around Phuket is by renting a scooter. Most of the agencies which rent out scooter in Phuket will ask for your passport as collateral. So my advice on renting a scooter is you rent a scooter from the hotel that you are staying. Even here you will have to submit your passport, but at least you know that it is in safe hands. We rented out this scooter from our hotel for 200 baht. For this amount, we were allowed to hold the scooter for 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. It will encourage me to produce more videos. Thank you once again and never stop being curious. Until next time, goodbye.